I am lightning, flashing through the sky, a sudden bolt of energy that races way up high. I light the dark clouds with a powerful glow, then thunder follows with a loud boom below. Lightning is electricity moving through the air. It can form inside a cloud or strike the ground down there. Tiny ice and water drops collide inside the storm, moving electric charges as the storm clouds grow and form. Inside a storm cloud, electric charges grow. Positive and negative begin to shift below. When the charge gets strong enough, electric paths break through. A bright flash of lightning jumps from cloud to ground or through. Lightning heats the air to temperatures so high. The air expands so quickly, it sends a shock wave by. That shock wave becomes thunder, rumbling through the sky. You see the lightning first, since light moves faster by. Some lightning stays in clouds and flashes far and wide. Some bolts jump between clouds as charge paths start to glide. Cloud to ground, lightning bolts can strike the earth below. A powerful flash of energy that makes the dark sky glow. Your town and all your streets can feel a stormy day when storm clouds start to build and lightning finds its way. A flash lights up the sky, then thunder shakes with me. A wild electric show above the land and sea. When lightning fills the sky, go safely on your way. Do not stand beneath tall trees or in wide open space. Stay far from pools and lakes until the storm has passed. A strong and steady building keeps you safe and sound at last. I am lightning, a powerful flash of light, born inside a thunderstorm and shining through the night. I move through the air with unbelievable speed. Then thunder tells the story of every flash you see.